Learning foreign proverbs can not only help you learn about a specific culture, but it can also help you practice daily vocabulary used in your target language. Today you will learn 10 Czech proverbs that are short, commonly used, and contain everyday vocabulary. Hi everyone, I'm Teresa and welcome to my channel. Let's get started. The first proverb is Hlad je nejlepší kuchař. Hlad je nejlepší kuchař, which literally means hunger is the best cook. The English equivalent is hunger is the best spice. Hlad, mám hlad, I'm hungry. You can check that video for further details. Nejlepší, the best. Kuchař, the cook. Hlad je nejlepší kuchař. And you can use this expression when you have somebody over at your place and you don't have many ingredients. That's fine because you're so hungry that you can just eat anything. The second one is my favorite. Bez práce nejsou koláče. Bez práce nejsou koláče, which would be translated literally as without work there are no cakes. Práce, work. Bez práce, without work. Koláč, koláče, cakes. So the English equivalent is no pain, no gain. Especially when you're learning Czech or another language, you can just keep telling yourself bez práce nejsou koláče. Without practicing, I won't be able to speak. So keep practicing with me. Then the third one, Hlad má velké oči. Hlad má velké oči. Again, hunger, hlad, velké oči. Literally, hunger has big eyes. I believe there is no equivalent in English. We would use this proverb when you're in a supermarket, you're extremely hungry and you're about to buy just anything just because you're so hungry. You can also just say mám velké oči. It's used in a sense where I have big expectations about what I'm going to eat. So you can either say mám velké oči when you look at all the food that you have bought, or just hlad má velké oči. Fourth one. Co oči nevidí, to srdce nebolí. Co oči nevidí, to srdce nebolí. Oči, srdce. Literally, what eyes cannot see, what eyes don't see, the heart doesn't hurt. Oko, one eye, oči, both eyes. Vidím, já nevidím. I don't see, I can't see. Srdce, heart. Bolet, to hurt. Mě bolí hlava, my head hurts. The English equivalent would be out of sight, out of mind. So we use this when somebody's cheating on somebody, and we would say that if you're protected from the knowledge, you don't know about this, then your heart is not suffering. Then the fifth one, co na srdci, to na jazyku. Co na srdci, to na jazyku. Literally, what's on your heart is on your tongue. And this proverb is about honesty. Whatever you're feeling in your heart, you should be able to say out loud. By the way, I really hope that you find values in my videos. If you want to take it one step further, feel free to download my interactive worksheet. There you can practice my videos with a transcription, a translation, listening exercises, interactive of course, and quizzes. Join my Patreon, support my work and my efforts. The link to my Patreon is down in the description box. The sixth proverb. Kdo je zvědavý, bude brzo starý. Kdo je zvědavý, bude brzo starý. Which means literally, who is curious is going to be old soon. The English equivalent is curiosity killed the cat. So, já jsem zvědavá, I'm curious, or ty jsi zvědavý. And starý means old. Whenever you're organizing a surprise and you have somebody around you being particularly nosy, you can tell them, kdo je zvědavý, bude brzo starý. Don't push me, I'm not gonna tell you. Then the seventh one I find particularly cute if you think of the translation. Lež má krátké nohy. Lež má krátké nohy. In translation, it will be the lie has short legs. And in English, a lie has no legs. I think you know in which situation you should use this proverb, but I still hope you won't have to use it. Zakázané ovoce chutná nejlépe. Zakázané ovoce chutná nejlépe. Forbidden fruit tastes the best. In English, forbidden fruit is the sweetest. Zakázat is to forbid something. Zakázané ovoce, forbidden fruit. Chutnat is to taste. So we would say that forbidden fruit tastes the best to me. Nejlépe, nejlepší, the best, but this is an adverb. Lépe, nejlépe. Jablko nepadá daleko od stromu. Jablko nepadá daleko od stromu. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. This one is actually identical. Padat, to fall. Jablko, an apple. Daleko, far. And od stromu, from the tree. Here you have simple vocabulary. Jablko, strom, padat. And finally, the last one. My o vlku, vlk za dveřmi. Us or we about the wolf behind the door. Yes, there is no verb in this proverb. In English, it will be speak of the devil. Whenever you're talking about somebody who is just about to arrive, you can use this phrase, this proverb. My o vlku, vlk za dveřmi. That's it for this video. I sincerely hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section what other Czech proverbs do you know. Also, feel free to share this video with your friends who also study Czech, because thanks to you, they will take it up a notch. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week. Ahoj!